Today I'm going to show you guys how to cast what you see inside of the MetaQuest 3 to your browser. From there, you will be able to really do anything with the browser. You'll be able to have maybe a friend or two locally view it. You'll be able to put it in OBS so you can record your footage for the world to see, so on and so forth. So here's what you do. Go to camera, okay? Go to casting. And you will hit start casting. You will hit PC. Or unless you want to cast from your phone, that's a thing too. But most people cast from PC, so just hit PC, and the website is oculus.com/casting. Just like I'm doing right now, showing you guys the view and everything, you guys will be able to actually see the view and see what's going on. And that already your audience, you guys can already see it. But yeah, hopefully this has helped some of you. If you guys want a full tutorial on how to get it in OBS, the easiest method casting, definitely let me know and I will have no problem showing you guys. But with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.